Alright, we're still on our way back when we ran into a hailstorm. We got ice on the windows, and hailstones all over the road here. And it's hit us pretty hard. Like, I wonder how much whiteout we're gonna get. Because we are, let's see how high we are here. 9,170 feet. And thank goodness they're little hailstones. They're just little pebble size.
Woo! Look at, they're coming in.
Yep. They're little. We'll be alright.